Solat is the best solution to your problem. Anytime you have any challenges, think of it. Go to Solat, observe 2 rakah, ask Allah why you are putting your forehead down to Allah. The Prophet said the best time you can ask for whatever you want from Allah is when you are putting your forehead down to Allah. What is your own solution? Some of us will go and patronize the soothsayers. Instead of you to fall down for Allah and ask for success, you run to the soothsayers. You believe they can assist you. Some of us derive joy and console themselves with music. You see this one playing music. Why do you have to do that? If I don't listen to music, I will not enjoy myself. I find myself at a tight corner, then I listen to music. That will never be a solution. So the Sahaba Ridwanullahi alayhim ajma'in find solace, happiness, tranquility, succor in what? In Solat. Brothers and sisters in Islam, train your heart to find succor, success, solace in Solat. If you are doing that, definitely you will be among those Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us the attribute that alladhina fi salatim khashi'un.